Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to convert crypto to USD on your crypto.com account. Now step 1 is just make sure to open crypto.com in your mobile phone, and it will take a few seconds. Just make sure to enter the passcode or the security key, and you will be at the home section of your crypto.com. Now make sure that you must have a fiat account, or you can just say that a USD wallet. If I click on the three lines, and from here just go to the option called cash, and inside this you can see that open a USD account. Now make sure that you already have opened a USD account which is linked to your crypto.com. If you have verified everything and attached a USD account, you can just go back, and from here along the home section you can see an option called accounts. Click here, and once you're on this page, you can select buy assets or buy product. You can just click on the crypto. Let's say we want to sell crypto, and just make sure to select the currency that you want to sell. Let's say I want to sell BTC or Bitcoin. You can just select the currency. Let me just enter the, and now for some reason it is giving a mistake selecting the coin. So once you select it, you will be seeing this option. So from here you can just click on sell BTC, and as you can see that I don't have any amount in my account. So once you click on sell BTC, they will ask you to select the wallet address. Either you want to sell it in the crypto, or you want to sell it in the fiat wallet, which is basically a USD wallet, and from there you can just convert the currency as well. So that is a simple and easy process. Make sure to select the fiat wallet and select the currency that you want in to convert in, and after that you will be able to do it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.